Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner and welcome to my channel. If you are brand new here, I would especially like to welcome you and I'd like to invite you to subscribe and tap the bell and join me for future videos. My videos are all about women's clothing. If you enjoy that, welcome to my channel. And for all my returning subscribers, hi everyone. We have Trendsend. You guys read the title, but I am really excited to receive my Trendsend box. You guys, I received this in last month's Trendsend. Trendsend is a style subscription box and it's through the Evereve store. I don't have an Evereve store in my city, so I get to try their products and work with a personal stylist who puts together 3 complete outfits for me. These are based on my price preferences and my style profile. So your box will probably look different than my box. Okay, this is what the inside of the box looks like. We have some paperwork with all the information about Trendsend, how to return, how to purchase, how to check out. There's also a great big return mailer. Postage is free both ways with Trendsend. Did I mention there's 0 styling fee? I really like that. Here's bundle number 1. The sticker says, "She who dares wins." First up, tunic length. You guys, tunics must be in. This is by Allison Joy. This Allison Joy is a brand that is, I think, exclusive to Trendsend. And this is a real silky fabric, a tunic length. It is like a cream colored with I think that's a navy stripe going down it. It is a rounded hemline and it has a higher front with a drawstring. Now that drawstring is only in the front of the garment, so that is interesting. We have a button sleeve. It looks like it might be long sleeve. Let's see how that looks on. And the next up we have, what is this? Olive and oak. This is $78. I can see the price tags. Now, this is just a little lightweight jacket. In fact, it feels almost like a blouse, but it is a super lightweight jacket. It looks like it's moto style, but definitely, I think of moto style as a little bit heavier. And then we have these pockets that have, ooh, these are teeny tiny pockets. I mean, maybe you could put your key in there, but they have these long strings on the zipper and I don't know. Again, the jacket is not lined and right off the bat, I'm not crazy about it. Let's see what it looks like on me. Okay, now we have some cut from the cloth, DONNA skinny. Now DONNA, I have not tried, so I am curious about that. And guys, you know what? I don't have this wash, so that is kind of exciting. These are just a little bit of distressed in the wash, but a pretty clean finish. A little bit of distressing there on the pocket and right there, but I like these. They do have a clean hemline, but these are very nice. I can't wait to try a style of cut from the cloth that I have not tried previously. Bundle number 2, it says, "Do all things in love." Oh, we have some jewelry here. And it doesn't look, I can see some of the price tags. It doesn't look like they sent me sales stuff, or at least not yet. I like sales stuff a lot. Okay, it is a sweater. Okay, this is a big boxy looking sweater. This is by We the Free. And so I like the color of this sweater, and it's got ribbing on it. And if you can see, the ribbing goes up and down on the top of the sweater, and we have the horizontal ribbing on the bottom of the sweater. It has an odd neckline. That's what I think. This might look fabulous on, but not real crazy about it just by looking at it. It's $68. I would not try this piece on my own. Next up we have, what are these? Ooh, these are some type of leggings. These are SPANX, and they're only $68. So a SPANX legging. These are super duper thick. They have a great big waistband there. These are in a size large, so I'm open-minded. I'm going to try on a pair of SPANX, and let's look at this jewelry they sent. This is by Evereve. Oh, that's pretty. So we have the gold choker, and then we have this. I don't know, what is that? It's a natural stone of some sort. I don't know my stones. I did take geology, but that was a million years ago. This is really pretty. I like it. I don't know if I'm that crazy about that shape of this stone, but I am certainly going to try it on. And bundle number 3, it says, say yes to new adventures. First up, I see something that is on sale. So I love me some sale items. Now, this is, who is this by? This is by PEYTON JENSON. And this is an olive cold shoulder. And then it's got that crochet lacing detail. We have a little bit of a bell sleeve, but you can see that crochet detail through it. This is regularly $68, on sale for $54. And this looks pretty interesting to me. It's got a halter-like neckline. Now, one of the problems with this is it requires a special bra unless you plan on wearing it with a cardigan or something. So I don't know how I feel about that heading into the fall because I'm not a big fan of special bras. But next thing we have is a Goldie. This is a brand of jeans that I have not tried. And what are they? Let me read it. They're the Sophie High Rise Crop, and these are $138. So these are a nice dark denim. They have a little whiskering through them. They're cropped. You can see that they're a little bit short, but they have stretch in them. And these feel really nice. So I'm excited to try them on. Has anyone else tried a Goldie? This brand here? Let me know if you've tried these and what you think of them, and I'll try them and let you know what I think of them. I have tried everything on. Let's go through the paperwork and I will show you all the items. With every Trendsend, we get a really nice note from the stylist, and this time I was styled by Elizabeth. The stylist changes every time. When you order your Trendsend, you get a referral link and you can share it with your friends. If other people use your referral link, you get 20% off the next box. So thank you to those that used my referral link because you have afforded me with a discount on this clothing. Now, the first top, this Allison Joy, this is called the Miller tie front top. This is a super silky top. This is a polyester top. I checked the label to see what it was made of, and it is polyester. And guys, you know, I wasn't really wowed by it. It's got extremely long laces in the front, and this drawstring does not go throughout. It's only in the front, so you can cinch up the front. When my husband saw me in this blouse, he said, wow, that's sexy. And I was like, really, honey? And he really likes this blouse. Let me know what you think about this blouse. I think it feels really nice, very casual. And then my stylist says I could wear it for business wear if I chose to do that. So I am leaning towards keeping this, and the price to me is only $54.40. This Drew jacket by Olive and Oak. Now, the regular price on this is $78, and my price on this jacket is $62.40. I think it's a really nice silhouette. It's very unusual. I've never seen anything like this with this. It's basically collarless. It's got this teeny tiny collar, and there is no draping in the front unless you unzip it, and then you get that draping effect, and then these really long strings on the zipper. I think it's very unusual. I don't think it's practical for me. It's very lightweight. It is like wearing another shirt. So for that reason, I am not going to keep this jacket. I do have outerwear that's a little bit heavier in weight in this same color. I so appreciate trying this because it is a really unusual piece. I just don't think it's my thing. The cut from the cloth, Donna Skinny, and these are regular priced $89. That's pretty standard for cut from the cloth, and my price on these is $71.20, so I love to get cut from the cloth on sale. One thing about cut from the cloth is it runs a little large. Even if you put it on and it feels snug, it is going to stretch out throughout the day, and these are my size. I actually needed them to size down one because I can feel that extra room. And even in the short period of time that I was trying these and the try on, I felt like, you guys, I like my denim to be snug, but I especially want the waistband to be snug around my waist. I don't want to be tugging them because they're falling. This is a great cut. I also just want them in one size down. The regular price on the Spanx is $68 and my price is $54.40. Thank you so much for using my referral link because I am crazy about these. Now, earlier this year, I tried on Spanx for the very first time, and I tried on the Moto Leather Look Spanx, and I did not like them at all. I felt overly exposed. They had seaming everywhere, and I felt like my skin was popping out in all the wrong places. I just didn't like them at all. Many of you said, don't give up on Spanx. Try just a plain black Spanx, and that's kind of what this is. These are remarkable. I am so glad I didn't give up on them. Guys, I don't know, I didn't notice this when I unboxed it, but it does have this seaming down the side. It's almost like a racer stripe, and I love racer stripes. Although it is in the same color, I know it's there. I think it's great. But the seamless part of these Spanx is really awesome. There is no seam in the front. This really does have just magical, mysterious powers to hold everything in. These are really thick, so I did not feel like I was exposed, like I was wearing a pair of pantyhose and nothing else. To be able to get them at $54, I feel very blessed. So again, I thank you, my viewers, for using that link because I will be keeping these. I will be wearing these and thanking you all season long. So next up is this Free People top. When I unboxed it, I told you the tag said "We the Free," and I thought, oh, this is a Free People knockoff. And when I put it on, it fits so oddly. I thought, this is like a Free People dupe, but this is in fact Free People, and this they sent to me in a size small. The only reason that's a problem is because these arms are so tight. I tried to show you that in the try on. The arms are so tight that I can't pull the garment up any farther to get the rest of it closer to my body, and it just hung and fell very, very weird. I think. I really like the color on this, and the fabric feels wonderful. This is a polyester cotton blend, but it feels really nice and it's funky. Had it been my size and I had a little bit more room in the arms so I could maneuver the garment on my body to make it fit a little bit better and feel a little bit better, it might be an option. This is a $68 blouse and my price is $54.40. I am not going to get it. It doesn't fit. As roomy as it is just too tight in the arm. So this is the $39.42 stone layered necklace, and the original price on this necklace is $34, and it is marked down to $10.39. I am keeping this necklace. I like it. I especially like this dainty little piece here. I don't know about this stone, but it's unlike anything that I have, and I like layering necklaces, and that price tag is perfect. Do you know that if you request a Trendsend, you can also request sales items? I often do, and I'm always happy to pick something up, especially the Trendsend jewelry. They send me some great jewelry, and the price is right on this one. Here is one of those sale items I was talking about. This is the PEYTON JENSON, the Havana cold shoulder top. Now, the regular price on this top was $68. They marked it down to $54.99, and my price is $43.99. But I don't know if that price tag can entice me to buy this. Let me know what you think about this, because there's a lot about it that I like, but perhaps more that I don't like. Now, I think it's lovely. I like cold shoulders. I like that there's a bit of a bell sleeve. I also like that crochet detail, that lacing throughout. I don't like the fabric on this. This is a rayon garment, and it just didn't move well when I moved. So if I lifted my arms or when I moved, I felt like I had to continue to adjust this blouse. to have it look the way that I want it to look. And I don't do a lot of adjusting. I leave my house and there's no more primping for me all day. So I really like clothing that moves well. I still think the price tag of $44 is a little bit high for a blouse that I'm just not crazy about this fabric. I love the color. I wish this was bra friendly. I just need to wear a regular bra. The last thing we'll talk about is these Goldie. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I know you viewers will correct me if I'm wrong. So these denims, I have never tried these before. So I just Googled them to find out about these. Been around since 2014. They're LA based, so that's cool. I like American made clothing. Let's see, is this actually made in America? Let me see. No, it's not made in America. It's made in Turkey, but they're based out of LA. These are the Sophie high-rise crop, and the price tag on these denims is $138. My price is $110.40. Now, I do think these feel very nice. I like this dark wash. I'm crazy about dark wash denim. I don't know. I think they were a very nice fit. I have no complaints about these denims. Now, these denims are sold at high-end retailers. They are at Nordstrom's. When I Googled them, I saw that they were at Nordstrom's, and it's nice to know that I can get them at Evereve. But let me know what you thought about these. It's nice to try the brands that I haven't tried before, and I thought these were great. They didn't wow me. I don't feel like I can't live without them, and for that reason, I am going to send them back. I am going to stay on budget this month. I love the necklace. My husband likes this blouse, and I need this Spanx. So I will show you the outfit. I don't know, is this top long enough to be worn with these Spanx? You guys let me know what you think about that outfit, because these are the 3 items I think I am going to keep out of this box. So I can't wait to hear your comments. Could you guys give this video a thumbs up? I really appreciate your thumbs up. It helps me so very much. So thank you all for your support, for sticking around and viewing my videos. I'll have another one for you in just 2 days. So leave your comments below and look for me in 2 days. Until we see each other again, blessings to you.